2016 TRD off-road 4x4. Hear a chirping sound from the engine. I'm guessing pulleys or a pulley. Didn't realize also that it has a clutch fan. That was electric fans, but I guess not. I'll go ahead and start it up. It's got 1,681 miles. Close up. So 1,681 miles, and I'm getting a weird chirp sound from the engine. If it's doing it now, of course. It sounds like the just a port injection, little ticks. I was getting chirp sound from the front. It's pretty quiet right now, so I'll try to rev it up a little bit. See what happens, see if it starts to chirp. It's really defined in my other videos, or the other video that I shot today of the suspension. You would be able to hear it. Might be able to start hearing it now. Sure, I don't hear it now. It's pretty quiet. Not making the noise now for some reason. Oh, actually, yeah. Yep, there it goes. Sound. Well, that's still port injection cleaning. So lower RPMs, you can hear it. You hear that sound? So I don't know what it is. You really hear it. So again, 1,600 plus miles, almost 1,700. Watch the RPMs. See what happens when it comes down to about 500. Yeah, that's where the noise is at. So lower RPMs, you get a chirp sound. That's really about it. Of course, goes away. Turn off the engine. The belt looks all right. Of course, I don't know if that's good or not. What the tolerance is on that. Just idle here. Pulley, I don't really dig my hand down in there and burn myself. No water under there. Nothing. I didn't splash any water up in the engine bay. I mean, it's like 1,600 miles on it. Really haven't done any off-roading on it yet. So I'd probably take it down to the dealer and see about getting it checked out. If anybody has this sound in their car or truck, let me know. Let me know what the fix is. and I'll follow through with that fix. Thank you.